Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best umbrella patch kit is probably one of the most underrated tools for any umbrella owner. Let's face it, nobody wants to throw away a perfectly good umbrella just because of a small tear or rip. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of umbrella patch kits, showing you how to save money and extend the life of your favorite rain or shine companion. Number 5. Better Boat Clear Repair Tape. This clear repair tape is perfect for fixing tears and rips in awnings, canvas, tents, and more. It's heavy-duty and highly effective for various items, making it a versatile solution for your repair needs. The fabric repair tape acts as a waterproof patch, resisting heat and sun. It creates a watertight seal, making it ideal for outdoor fabrics and various applications. This clear fabric tape is easy to use and flexible, allowing for quick repairs. It's a great addition to any emergency kit, perfect for repairing tears in various items. The tape is clear and can be used on a variety of materials. It adheres well to tarpaulin, vinyl, upholstery, and leather, blending seamlessly with the material. Better Boat is a family-owned American business. They are committed to providing premium quality accessories and stand behind their products, including this fabric tape repair solution. What we like? This repair tape is heavy-duty and waterproof, perfect for outdoor gear. Its clear design blends seamlessly with the material. If you have a boat cover or tent that needs a quick fix, this is the ideal choice. It's reliable and easy to use, ensuring your gear stays protected. What people say. I applied the tape on both sides of the awning and it works great. Very sticky, seems to be working very well. Love how well it works for fixing horse blankets. Very durable and does not peel off like others. Number 4. Dulepax Repair Tape, Tent, Awning, Boat and RV Cover. Are you tired of rips and tears ruining your outdoor gear? This tape is flexible, thick, and incredibly durable. It's designed to provide a perfect repair every time. This clear repair tape offers super viscosity, ensuring it can fix all sorts of damage. The transparent PET material makes repairs nearly invisible, so you won't even notice them. Whether it's rain, snow, or intense sun, this tape can handle it. It's suitable for temperatures from -30 to 70 degrees Celsius, making it perfect for any weather condition in the United States. This repair kit works on tents, awnings, RV covers, and more. It can be used on materials like vinyl, canvas, leather, and wood. It's a versatile solution for all your repair needs. Please note that this tape isn't suitable for inflatable products or underwater repairs. For any questions, we offer 7/24 online customer support. We also provide a satisfaction guarantee. What we like? This tape is flexible, durable, and can withstand various weather conditions. It works on a wide range of materials. If you are looking for a versatile solution that can handle rain, snow, or sun, this is the one. It's designed to last, making sure your repairs stand the test of time. What people say. The patches are very easy to apply. The kit includes everything you need to make a repair. The patches are holding up very well. Number 3. Gear Aid Tenacious Tape Silnylon Patches. Need a fast fix? These peel and stick patches are the answer. They use a silicone-based adhesive to create a strong, lasting bond. This patch works on various materials, including Silnylon, silpoly, nylon, vinyl, and rubber. The kit includes 2 sheer, ripstop nylon patches. Use it to repair holes and tears on your ultralight backpacks, hammocks, stuffed sacks, ponchos, and sleeping bags. It's a versatile solution for your gear. This patch is washable and features a waterproof silicone coating. It can withstand machine washing and even stormy weather, ensuring your gear stays protected. Be ready for any tear with this easy repair. Only silicone adhesives bond to silicone, and this product does the job perfectly. What we like? This patch kit uses a silicone adhesive specifically designed for Silnylon fabrics. It is also washable and waterproof. If you like ultralight gear like backpacks or sleeping bags, this is perfect. It will keep your gear in top condition, even after washing. What people say. Worked fantastic for pop-up camper. Mice chewed holes. Held up fantastic. A large tree branch fell on our fly this summer, no one inside, and rip the fly. This patch was great and easy to apply. Patched screen pop-up enclosures roof. Patch adheres well and is easy to install. Number 2. TiGilt Clear Patch Repair Tape. This Tenacious tape is perfect for repairing various materials. It's heavy-duty and waterproof, making it ideal for outdoor use. One roll ensures you have enough to get the job done. This repair kit is perfect for patching up air mattresses, pool covers, and more. It's durable, clear, and waterproof, allowing you to create a long-lasting repair. This heavy-duty kit is suitable for many situations. This is an essential part of any camper's toolkit. Whether you need to repair your awning, tarp, or tent, this tape will make the job easy. You can use it on any surface, thanks to its excellent adhesion properties. Keep your pool looking great with this kit. The waterproof tape ensures that you can patch up any holes or tears quickly and easily. It comes with everything you need to create a seamless, long-lasting repair. This Gear Aid repair tape is perfect for fixing rips, tears, and holes in your tent, canopy, or tonneau cover. This kit comes with a waterproof clear tape that will keep your gear dry and protected, even in wet conditions. What we like. This tape is tenacious, clear, and designed for a variety of materials. It is also easy to apply. If you are a camper, boater, or outdoor enthusiast, this is a must-have. It provides a quick and reliable solution for all your repair needs. What people say. Perfect, exactly what we needed to repair my child's vinyl shoes. This clear tape holds perfectly, and is invisible. The shine matches the shoe's original texture. Loved how easy it was to use. Stuck well to the plastic too. Better than expected. Thick piece that adheres strongly. Number 1. Tear Aid Type A Fabric Repair Patch Roll Kit. Are you tired of throwing away items with small tears or holes? This product offers a simple and effective solution for patching them up. It's a convenient way to extend the life of your belongings. This patch is made from a strong, abrasion-resistant material. It's designed to withstand punctures and tears, ensuring a long-lasting repair. You can rely on it to keep your items protected. This versatile patch works on a wide range of materials, including canvas, nylon, and even some plastics. It's a great choice for repairing various items. It's a truly versatile solution. Applying this patch is incredibly easy, with no need for sewing or messy glue. It adheres instantly and conforms to irregular surfaces. It's a hassle-free way to get your items fixed. Each kit includes a roll of the patch, alcohol prep pads, and instructions. It's everything you need to make a successful repair. Keep this handy, and you'll be prepared for anything. This product is made in the USA with high-quality standards. It's a reliable product that you can trust. Don't throw it away, repair it. What we like. These patches are tough, abrasion-resistant, and work on a wide range of fabrics. They are also easy to apply. If you are looking for a simple and effective way to repair your gear, this is the solution. It's a reliable choice for any type of tear or hole. What people say. It worked great on air inflatable yard decorations, and I used it to reinforce grommets on large banners. We repaired that tear from the inside. The tape is clear and it's very strong and it does not allow water to come in. It sticks well to the material and really helped with patching the holes on my tent trailer's canvas. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.